Hey Pike Panthers, this is Mr. Little. I'm going to go over step 1 for week 3 of our remote learning. It's really important that you go through the steps in the series in order to get the maximum amount of learning to take place. So first things first, it says here on the student e-learning page, you're going to watch and take notes over the Think Central digital lesson, moon phases and eclipses, and or read and take notes over pages 234 to 242 from the Science Fusion textbook to use on the moon phases quiz. Now I'm going to go through this part real quick. If you are going to go through the Think Central digital lesson, you do need to go through the NISD portal, and I will have that available to you. You'll look for the assignment over moon phases and eclipses, and that will take you to the lesson online for that. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Science Fusion textbook, even though we've done this many times before. I felt it was important to go ahead and show this to you again. So at the very top, I'm going to go ahead and put in moodle.nisdtx.org, like so. Hit enter, and it's going to take me to this page. And we didn't, as a class, enroll, so I'm going to show you just how to get to the point of entry. I'm going to click on middle school. And then I'm going to find Pike Middle School and click on that. And I'm going to scroll down just a bit so I can get to science. Click on that. And you'll notice that this is the landing page for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. We're interested in 8th grade, so you can pick either one of these. It doesn't really matter. For this purpose of the video, I'm going to go ahead and access the on level classes Moodle page. And you're going to click where it says textbook right here. You can see it turns into a little hand with a finger pointing. Click on that. That's going to open up the textbook. And then up here, it says go to page number. And you are interested in pages 234 to 242. So not a lot of reading going on with this week's activity, but it will take you to the appropriate spots. I'm going to put 234. And it's going to take us to moon phases and eclipse. Now remember, if you need an oral accommodation for this, it's as simple as using this little speaker icon up here, and everything will be read to you. Hopefully that was helpful to you. Good luck on this week's assignments, kids.